If you're looking to generate quizzes and activities around YouTube videos, then the technology I'm going to show you today is exactly what you're looking for. You can paste in a YouTube link to a video you like, and it will generate the questions for you, and then it will generate a link. The students can access the link on their smartphones or on their computer and do the activity. Incredibly, this is free. Let me show you. So the technology I'm going to use is called QuestionWell. I'm going to choose 10 questions. I'm going to choose multiple choice. I'm choosing English. I'm choosing 8th grade. And all I need now to do is to add in here the link to a video. So if we click here, we can choose YouTube. And all we need to do now is to paste in the link to a YouTube video that we want to use. So I'm going to use this video here about visiting London. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to come back to QuestionWell and simply paste in that link. And now I'm going to click on search. Now the first thing that it does is it extracts the YouTube text for that particular video. And now we're going to click on save. Now we're going to click on generate questions. And hopefully it's now going to generate questions around the transcript that it's extracted from the YouTube video. And here it is. We've got the transcript here on the left hand side. We've got some comprehension questions, a total of 10. We can select the ones that we want to use by clicking on the plus, or we can select all of them. We've also got some discussion questions and some vocabulary. Now, how do you share this activity with your students? We're going to select all 10 questions, click on export questions, and now click on QuestionWell and click on generate code. Now it does two things. First of all, the students can access on their smartphones the quiz using the QR code. Students can also access the quiz by clicking on this link. So let me I'm now logged in as a student. I'm going to write in my name. I click on play and the activity begins. I play the video, and when it gets to this point here, a question will appear on the screen. Okay, so the video plays, the first question comes up on the screen, and the students, all they have to do is to click on the correct answer. Submit the answer, and now continue. And this is how the activity works. If you want to see the answers that the students gave and to check how the students get on, click on assignments and go to view results. For example, here I've got 7 students have completed this activity, and if I click on view results, I can see the results of the different students that did the activity. This is a fabulous tool and fantastic that it's free. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.